If you're trying to access your Arizona Department of Education ESA account and you find yourself getting a yellow server error message, and if you happen to be using Google Chrome as your browser, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I quickly eliminate this issue. I'll start by sharing with you how your computer retains information. When you use a browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer, it saves some information from websites in its cache and cookies. Clearing them fixes certain problems like loading and formatting issues on sites. Deleting the cookies can lead to faster overall internet access. Be sure to close or quit the browser after clearing the cache and cookies. Since we're using Google Chrome as our browser, look in the upper right-hand corner and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. The first option that you see is going to be Clear Browsing Data. That's what we're going to click on. You'll see two tabs, a Basic and Advanced. Click on Basic. Now, I tried doing this and I cleared the last 24 hours, and that did not clear the yellow error message for me. So I went back in again and clicked on last 4 weeks. I made sure that browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files were all checked. Now you can click Clear Data. Now that that's done, always remember, every time you clear cache and cookies, make sure that you close out of the window and start fresh. And now we're back to the Arizona Department of Education main page. I'll put in my email address, password, and that's it. We now have access to ClassWallet again. Clearing the cache and cookies is what it takes to be able to access the site when you see that yellow error message. At this point, you can go ahead and click ClassWallet and continue working in your account.